Here's another owl flying by the moon. It's right up here in this corner to begin with. This is frame by frame. Alright, this is something else flying by. This is frame by frame. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Back it up again. Just going. Not sure what that was. Alright, this is another bird, some type, flying by. I'm not sure that it's an owl though. It's a little bit different in the wings, and it looked like it had a forked tail, maybe like a Mississippi kites or something. I'm not sure, but it's frame by frame. See what y'all think on it. Alright, pause it again. Alright, finally caught a UFO. See, the birds and things like that show up dark, because I don't have a camera on my light shining. It's the moonlight, so you see the dark side of the birds. The ones that are lit up by the sun. I mean, by the shine off the moon, when moonlight. And this is one of them that's up there by the moon, coming right over here, and it's going to be going this way, and I'm going to do it frame by frame because they go so fast. UFOs, you know, you'd never know they were there unless you caught it. So here it goes. It's just starting to come into the picture now. See it? Right underneath, close to the moon. And then, as soon as it gets away from the light of the moon, it darkens out. Now I'm going to back up onto it. See, bring the camera a little bit closer, see if we get any better. Go forward again. Back out. Not real clear, but we'll pause it because I believe I caught a big one. This I'm almost out of memory card on this, or internal memory on this one. So, okay, this is a good one. Watch this. Here it comes. And back up a little bit. Look at that. Change direction. Isn't that something? Hold on. This one can go behind the moon. Watch it. Pretty good sized one too. See that? Now back it up. Went behind the moon. Forward. Yep.